In this video, we are going to create and animate a simple flag with these easy steps. We start by creating the pole. And we'll start the cylinder. Let's scale that down. And we can scale it along the x-axis. The next thing we want to create is the flag itself, the cloth. So we shift A and we add a plane. We rotate it, adjust the scale, and line it up with the pole. The next step is to subdivide the flag. Go into edit mode, right click on it, click on subdivide. The more the number of subdivisions, the better the animation would be. You can extend this area out. And we want to hide the pole. Selecting the vertices at the edge, we go into our object data properties. Let's add a new vertex group. You can name this flag pin, or you can name it anything you want, and assign. Go back to object mode. And we can turn back on the cylinder. Selecting the flag, we go into the physics properties and click on cloth. Under shape, select the flag pin. And if you press play or spacebar, the animation will begin. So now we don't just want our flag to drop down, we want it to wave in the air. And we can easily do that by adding a force. And this time we are going to use wind. We position the wind facing our flag. The wind is not having any effect on the flag. We can solve that by selecting the wind, increasing the strength, increase the flow, and the noise amount. We try it again. The wind still doesn't affect the flag. Try adding a crazy number to the strength. Now it's working. So what we can do is just dial down the amount of the strength. And we'll keep dialing down the strength till we find out what's good for us. It might vary in your system, so play around with the values. And there we have a nice flag simulation there. Another thing you can do at times is reduce the weight of the flag. And if you turn on self-collision, you can have a better flag simulation. But this will take more time to render. So there you have it, a simple flag. You can go ahead and add your materials. Before you render out your animation, you go under Cut and click on Bake. This will bake your animation into the frames. And you can also select the flag, go into your object, animation, and bake action. So you want to bake this animation of the flag into the frames. Or you can continue with your materials. you like what you saw in this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.